The Corsa D no longer has the closed front axle body found in its predecessor. Is that the engine and transmission can be removed without the front axle body. Since the engine and transmission can no longer be supported on the front axle body for service work, there is a new frame system that performs this function. We're not going to show the whole engine removal operation, just how to use this frame system. The top of the frame system is supported on the engine mounts, so you need to remove the air cleaner housing. Disconnect the earth cable from the battery and loosen the positive distribution. Remove the battery and the battery support. Release the wiring harness plug and place the fuse box to one side. To provide access to the second engine mounting bolt, unscrew the wiring harness bracket. Remove the front wheels and the front part of the inner wing protective panelling. From above on the transmission side, place the special tool with the number 3 onto both bolts of the engine damping block. On the transmission side, place the special tool with the number 2 onto the 3 bolts of the engine damping block. From below, fold out the supports on both sides. Attach the bracket, in this case number 4, to the transmission. Caution: a separate bracket is used for each transmission. Refer to the service literature. Remove the cross strut. Place the frame on the base frame and preset the spindles for removing the engine and transmission. Position the frame beneath the engine and align it. Fold the side parts down and screw firmly in place. Twist the two supports upwards until they exert gentle pressure on the brackets. Fit the third support into the hole provided in the cylinder block and secure it. Pull out the split pin and lower the base frame. The vehicle is now securely held by the frame system and can be lowered for further servicing work. If the rear torque supports are now removed from the engine damping block bracket, together with the engine damping block bolts on the transmission side and the timing case side, the engine and transmission will be held by the frame system. Then the base frame can be attached once more. Release the side pieces and fold them upwards. And carefully bring the engine and transmission down and forwards in stages. Make sure no attachments are left hanging where the front axle body or the cooling module overlap. Depending on the engine and equipment, it may be necessary to detach or remove the cooling module beforehand. Before installation, place the positioning pins upright. Reverse the procedure to install the engine.